With the release of Sirrus 4.2, we are pleased to announce many new features that have been requested by our users. Please check out our website for the entire list. First, I would like to talk about premium imagery. Let's navigate to a field to check this out. As part of your Sirrus Premium subscription, you can now enroll any field to receive NDVI imagery delivered weekly. After receiving an image, you can judge the cloud cover before deciding to use it. Now you're ready to use premium imagery for directed scouting and side-by-side comparisons with other layers. Now let's select the Add button to see another new premium feature. By selecting Edit at the top, you can now long press and move your activity tiles just like the apps on your iOS home screen. Dragging to the Remove icon will hide any activity tiles that you don't frequently use. Selecting the Remove icon will allow you to see the hidden activity tiles and bring them back by dragging them to the Add icon. While we're here, let's talk about reports. Reports are now located within the Add button beside Create Boundary. You will notice the report settings is also available in the top right corner with a new sorting option, alphanumeric. We've made some additions to scouting as well. Multi-select is now available for point scouting, as is the ability to delete points. One more feature we've added to scouting is the ability to use your planting data while scouting. Let's select this planting layer to take a look. In the Options menu, you will see a Scout option. Tap that, and now select the attribute that you wish to use. I selected seeding rate, so my seeding rates are mapped with the legend. And crop is already populated for me. Now let's take a look at management zones. Sirrus users can now review their management zones in a full screen view, as well as editing the management zones and their legends. Sirrus also remembers the legend of each base layer used in management zone creation and applies it by default. We also added quick reports for management zones. On a related note, Sirrus users can now use any surface analysis layer as a base layer when collecting any activity. In settings, the user can choose to utilize these as either a background layer for reference or a selectable polygon, just like a management zone would be used. Speaking of selectable polygons, we have also added area creation to the split tools in activity collection, boundary creation, and management zone creation. This allows users to create the perfect split without having to exit the tool to check the area. Next, let's talk about GPS. In this version, we've added the Direct Connect feature for iPhones. This feature has been helping iPad users connect Sirrus directly to their favorite GPS unit for quite some time. Using a supported GPS or a connection device, Sirrus will bypass Apple location services for a more accurate position. We have also added support for the Digifarm beacon as a direct connect option in this version. In boundary creation, we have added a measure tool that allows users to measure by absolute distance, relative distance, and area. In the activity section, we have expanded the filtering options to include activity type, event date, and season. Lastly, we have added the ability to not automatically download growers that have been added to your account. And tank mixes will now sync to your AgX account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this.